You do all the work? Awesome.
You did it. Good job.
Hey, I've been driving for more than a minute.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Atomic Hillbilly Garage. We are out on Woodward and we're here with Darrin from Half Fast Garage.
Yep, that's me in all of my glory.
All right, and we're here with his D150 Dodge. Got a built 360 in it. We're gonna go out for a little ride in this, check out some of the cool cars on Woodward, see what oddities we can find.
Hi,
Ford Fairlane.
I'm here with the Atomic Hillbilly Garage. We're in my gas hog. We're gonna see if we can use $8,000 worth of gas in the next 5 minutes.
He's buying.
Shouldn't be too hard.
Like,
I bought
follow,
the water.
subscribe.
$1 a bottle.
Not a
he gets
sponsor.
$4 a gallon. I don't care.
What is that?
That's the sewage right there.
Yeah.
I thought it was that Ford next to us.
Now there's a manhole cover right there.
Not me.
Well, it could be that Ford smelling like that.
Sorry, these Mopars are damn near uncontrolled. You know how it is.
Okay.
I like it.
Oh, the cops are flashing back there.
Uh-oh.
They're not after me though. We can outrun them. I've got about 6 miles worth of gas.
Look at all that fuel.
That I still don't have that lock ring or whatever fixed on this thing, so I can't fill it all the way up or else it'll. I used a quarter of a tank just getting the cruise today.
Really? Wow.
But you can go over half a tank.
Yeah, it's fine. You just can't fill it all the way up, so I can only get like 29 gallons instead of 30. It doesn't get that bad of gas.
Oh, so you can get it close to full?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
real
good.
close.
Yeah, yeah.
It's just right at the top.
Gotcha.
If you want to see my modded truck, you can go
It was one of the original buggy cars from the Sleeping Bear Sand Dunes.
Oh, really?
Something about that dealership. There was a dealer. I don't know.
There was, I don't know,
Tell you
6
all
or
about
7 of them,
Huh.
and he has one of them.
But his other
When-
one is I think this is a 56. He's got a 57 convertible that they drove all the way from Traverse City to Nashville. Okay. And he took his first place in the show down there.
That's pretty sweet.
Yeah. He's a purist.
Yeah.
He likes some all original.
Man, you just about need some sunglasses to drive it, but I'll stick the dash on it.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't know anything about these cars.
Yeah.
It is sweet. All the vehicles from this year got some classy stuff to them.
Yep. And they had problems like everybody, right? They went to leave yesterday for the show, and I don't know, like the first car he had, the brakes were bad. He got another one out, the exhaust was bad, so I don't know what he wound up with. But
Must be pretty terrible to have that kind of trouble, you know? Yeah, this one's dusty.
Made in Clarkston, Michigan,
We said Michigan.
by my father and grandfather.
Oh,
So
no
I grew
kidding.
up with these.
Okay.
Do you mind being on YouTube?
This is a 54.
Do you mind being on YouTube?
No.
Oh, okay. I just want to make sure that.
And the 57 Ranchero.
yeah.
But the pony cycle, I just finished it for my son. And he doesn't want it for a couple of weeks. I said, well, it's going on Woodward. Come on, in the back of the Ranchero. So I've got a number of these.
Oh,
You know, I
really?
just finished this one a couple weeks ago.
Very
And restored it. It's 100% original.
Yeah.
You know.
So it's a 1958 based off the bag, or what year is the bag?
54.
54.
54.
So it's a 54 machine.
It's a 1954. It's the 79th one made.
Nice.
Number 79.
And this was your dad, your grandfather that made them?
And grandfather, right?
Catch all that? His
And
dad,
uncle.
his grandfather.
So I grew up with these. I've been on these since the 50s.
I'm trying to keep her out of there as she asks. I don't want to give her too much.
So I'm like, wow, that's cool.
So,
that's not
awesome.
just reading the transmission.
So we bought the plant from Ford Motor Company back in 48, 49.
I see you guys
And
go
then
by
the
yesterday.
scooters, they were developing it and started production in 53. And it ran basically until about 58.
Okay.
And then we had a contract with Montgomery Wards back in the 50s. Montgomery Wards and Sears were it.
Yeah.
So these were for sale in Montgomery Ward's stores and catalog. But we weren't able to keep up production. They kept increasing production. And they weren't able to keep up. They pulled our contract, and then we sold to different other scooter manufacturers and stuff.
That's pretty amazing. I've never seen one. I've never even heard of it.
Oh, really?
But I do like these little mini bikes. They're great.
Well, actually it was a scooter.
Yeah, that's neat.
Do 45 miles an hour, and back in the 50s, you could be 40.
Love it.
It's, I put it on the 2006 F350 chassis, so it's just a 754.
Nice. Very nice.
47.
47, very cool. One of my favorites.
I had a pair of them. I had a 43, and that's where I come up with a 4 door.
Oh, really?
That's actually a right front door back.
Okay, cool. So you do all the work? Awesome. Gotcha. Very cool.
Radar detectors too. You learn where everything is, all the road closures.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is probably one of the only types of vehicles that can get me totally to flip sides.
Yeah,
and I'd
there
never
you go.
touch anything ever again but vans.
Yeah, these are cool. I love them.
Yeah, you did an awesome job, sir. Well, both of you. I don't know.
Original owner, original survivor. He customized it, still owns it today. How cool is that? One of these. It's a no brand.
No brain.
Hey, good morning, guys, from Atomic Hillbilly Garage. It is the official day of Woodward Dream Cruise, so it's Saturday morning, and unfortunately, this trip, I didn't get to enjoy any of this peaceful view. I spent so much time at Woodward, so much time running around. We didn't get to enjoy the lake. Normally, we go out on the boat. My wife wanted to go out on the jet skis, not me, but anyways, so we are heading out to Woodward this morning bright and early. We've already got our canopy tent staked out there, so we've got our place to sit. If you're new to Woodward, you know, most places are going to charge you to park, or you're going to have to walk quite a distance, and you're going to have to find your own place to sit. So again, we rent a space every year, so we have a place where we can put our canopy, where we can park our vehicle nearby, and it's super convenient. So if you're new to the cruise, by all means, check into that before you come up so you're not disappointed again, because it's crowded, very crowded up and down the entire boulevard. You're going to find that it's very crowded. So looking forward to showing you the cool stuff happening today. See you real soon. And one might say that I'm a little addicted to picking. I don't know what anybody's talking about. I mean, there's all kinds of room in here. Check out that cool can. Yeah, we got plenty of room. Almost didn't have room for the wife. We made it. What am I doing?
Pro tip, where do you keep your cookies? In the rafters.
Ain't no ants up there yet.
it, all the chrome and everything's real nice. That's the shit you look at, because that's the stuff that's time consuming and very expensive. After I had plating and shit done. Yeah, you can see a lot of cars with nice paint jobs, and then you start looking at all the chrome and bright work.
All right, so we're wrapping up our stay at Woodward 2022. We are gonna hit the road. We got to get home tonight, late tonight. We got some commitments back home that we got to get taken care of over the weekend. But this has been a great time for everybody that has subscribed to us during our stay here at Woodward. I appreciate it very much. It's a little overwhelming, actually, the subscribers that we got while we're here. And again, watch for me when I get back home. I'm gonna get back into the Buick, finish that one up, and also get back on the shop truck and the Crown Vic swap, so that we can get that thing finished up. I got somebody hopefully coming down to help me out finish up the welding on that. So watch for my videos, guys. Again, if you haven't done so already, please like, comment, subscribe, notification, do all that for us to help continue to make our channel successful. See you real soon.